Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am currently running from my child. She's chasing me all over the house because she wants to play with my ugly sweater. And the reason why I'm wearing an ugly Christmas sweater is because I decided to take a challenge that 5 women put out on YouTube, and I'm excited about it. I've watched all of their ugly sweater videos and they had some really cute sweaters. I don't find Christmas sweaters to be ugly. I actually find them to be super adorable, and it's actually something that me and my husband do almost every year. We get new sweaters. Like, we love it. So I'm actually really excited that I get to wear one this year and to do something I actually like doing. Even though I feel like I'm sweating bullets. It's gonna be pretty bad cleaning in this sweater. I already turned my air down. I'm hoping that my daughter will be chill enough to get this house cleaned because it is horrific. But yeah, I will link the girls that started this challenge down below, and please follow and subscribe to those women because they are awesome. I just recently subscribed to a couple of them that I didn't know were out there, and I'm really glad I did because I started like binge watching a lot of their videos, and they have some really good content, like really good content. So definitely check out the women below. But yeah, I'm gonna give you an overview of my house, and then we're gonna jump right into it. I'll probably start in my living room because my daughter is being exceptionally fussy today, and I'm not really sure why. Teething time, I don't really know. She's just kind of going through a fussy day today. So I'm gonna try and play with her while I clean in hopes that we can get stuff done. But yeah, I will go ahead and get started. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let's jump into it. Y'all, I am sweating and I've barely done anything, and this thing jingles and it's driving me crazy. So if y'all are wondering why my table looks a little wonky and has tape on it, my daughter has now tried to put the latches in her mouth, and they're really long cast iron latches, and we're really terrified she might impale herself on them. So the other side of the table has it tucked in, this side has the tape on it because she likes to pull the tape off. So my table looks all wonky. I'm debating selling it and getting a safer table. We'll see. These boxes are going to stay down here because I need my husband's help to get the large box upstairs into our storage closet. It contains all the stuff that was on the bottom shelves of this cabinet, and I need to put it away upstairs. The other box has some toys that we took out of the house that need to be sanitized, and I'll be doing that later today. So I can see why this is called a challenge, because one, my daughter is on the move like crazy today. Two, my house is horrific. And three, this sweater is hot, it's itchy. Like, I've always worn sweaters to like do stuff, but like never to clean my really extremely dirty house. Like, can you guys see the lip sweat I got going on right here? I'm gonna look like a hot mess by the end of this, I guarantee it. My hair's gonna frizz out. Gotta stay hydrated. Of me doing dishes, I'm gonna have to stop and take a slight break to put Tennyson down for a nap because she's hit her poor little limit. She doesn't want to clean anymore. Come say hi. Tell him, say no more cleaning. No more cleaning. I'm gonna take a nap. Thank you. See? Okay, wanna come back to this later? All right, we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. She's down for her nap, and I'm gonna try and get the rest of this done before she wakes up. That's challenge number 2 for me today. Wish me luck. Let's get finished. feel like my habits of cleaning my sink have changed so much since I learned the wonders of this Mr. Clean sponge on my sink. It just does so much better than any other cleaner I've used, and my sink always turns out super shiny, and I love it. I'm still using my pumpkin scent from the Mrs. Meyer's cleaner because I still have it. I need to get rid of it, and I honestly didn't like it, so I rarely ever use it and I forget I have it, but now I'm going to try and get rid of it. So my husband was super awesome this weekend and did a bunch of laundry. He even folded like 2 loads of it, and what's left is Tennyson's, so I'm going to go ahead and fold that up. And I have another load of hers that needs to be put away as well. So I'm gonna get all this stuff done and then I can put it away later. So I'm officially done filming. I've done enough cleaning for right now. My daughter's still sleeping, so I kind of want to relax and put some laundry away. I'm not going to film that just because I feel like this is enough footage for my video, and I'm sweaty and I really, really want to take this sweater off. And yeah, but I want to give like a special thanks to the women who put the challenge out there, because honestly, I had fun doing it. It was fun to be like involved in something. It was fun to get a little festive, and honestly, it motivated me to get off my butt and get my house clean, because this was not working for me, and I am so glad that my turnout is clean and it smells good, and my husband's gonna love me because of it. And just thank you guys, I really appreciated it. Yeah, if you guys haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and if you want to join the challenge, go ahead and check out the ladies below follow their rules. It'll be in their Christmas videos, and just follow the rules and you can submit as well. If you're not a YouTuber, you can still join in. You win a $50 gift card. But yeah, they have all the rules on their pages, so please check it out. And if you want to join, come have fun with us. It's Christmas. Like, I love Christmas month. December is entire Christmas for me, so I love it. Like, love it. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.